Okay, Leo guys. Uh, it's 7:14 in the night. Okay, in the evening. Okay, this is my tent. I set up my tent. That is my bag. Those are my stuff. Okay, I cooked my dinner. Okay, I cook rice. I brought rice. Okay, actually I bought that on Subic. Water. I brought my water too. If the water what do you call that, gone or empty, I will buy another water there at the store. Okay, I cook my rice. Okay, it's perfect, man. I'm gonna eat my dinner and I'm hungry. Okay, I did not eat lunch, only Fit Bar and Fit and Right Del Monte isotonic drink. Okay, anyway, I'm out.